Traders, hello, and I just want to do a little recap video. I'm on the Asus laptop currently. I've got a new Dell laptop. Nothing too special, but it's just going to allow me to run my broker stocks to trade on this laptop, and then the other monitor for checking out news, SEC filings, and that sort of fun stuff. So that's sort of my arrangement now, and I don't really know why I've got ECYT. I was just sort of going through a few things, and because I did have stocks to trade a little while ago, I had the trial, and then I really, couldn't afford to pay the monthly subscription. But now I'm all sweet, so I'm working a little bit more, and I've got a little bit more disposable income, so I'm ready to rock and roll. So I guess I've been watching ECYT for a little bit, and it's interesting how it sort of closed. It pretty much closed, quite flat on the day. Had a small bounce here of the mid 540, sorry. What about IZEA? How did that finish? I should probably, it's not running that badly, but again, I don't have a lot of processing power at my disposal, so we'll just see how IZEA finished. The 6 would have been, this was the 6. So what about 1 day, 5-minute candles? Okay, so it started off pretty bullish, made a resistance there. Yeah, so it also struggles to get through, the $6. That's how I was playing ECYT, but none of it really entertained me. I saw a post on Profitly about Switch and an acquisition done. I think Intel bought Intel, I believe so, 9 million shares. But it's a bit higher priced than what I'd be willing to look into. So, initial statement of beneficial ownership of securities. So, that's around 10% of the company. Where did I see that? Right there. Oh no, it's not that. Okay, so significant interest shown. Intel, Capital Corp. Okay. So this is sort of one to watch. I mean, that's some news, but at the same time, it's, if we go to 5 minutes, let's see. Sorry about this. Again, I'm not really super prepared. It's a little bit late. It's just past 10 o'clock. I've had a pretty full-on day here. It's Saturday, but it's good to go through some analysis and see what's going on. This was the 6. Okay, so that was the Friday session. Yeah, so this was an IPO as well. Interesting. Anyway, what we'll do, we will minimize that, guys, and then let's go through the trades that I've taken this week. Okay. Putting trades. Second wasn't that. It was the breakout trade on ECYT, might have been it. Is this where I made $68? Might have been where I think I got it. No, this is where I got it at 618 and closed out at 621. So this was around $6. So this I would probably actually constitute a fake out and a break even trade. So I really shouldn't put that in the winning folder there. This was done. I sort of ended trading, but I noticed that it actually resumed, and then it might have actually gone to the 650s as well. And I think Tim might have played it. But yeah, so I sort of closed too early. The reason why I closed too early is because the mid 620s had a little resistance as well. It's quite stubborn. And I waited about 5 minutes, and then it just didn't want to go. And I used 615 as the mental stop. So I was pretty tight with it. I was looking for it to go to the mid 630s or so. I think 45 would have been perfect. 48, that would have given me 30 cents with a around a 10-cent risk as well. But I'll close that down. I thought there was one more trade. What's the second? Was that Monday? Oh no, Monday it was. Okay, sorry guys, we're doing it right. So this was a breakout as well, and let's see if I've got some more details here. Now I actually do a trade recap after the trade as well. Sold at 340, so I must have got in here around 322ish. Alright, so this is a breakout trade. I'll close this down. I'll resume on this one. Alright, so let's call I got in at 322. I got in at 322, and it was, I would call it a bit of an aggressive entry, but this is what I look for it to sort of take off. And then I got lucky, and it actually got to 345 at the top. Was around 340, and I got closed out at 340 on SRAX. And there was a little bit of chatter about this as well. I can't quite remember what this play was, if it was artificial intelligence. I think it was a social media company. It's not quite saying what it was, but yeah, so this one was a bit of a breakout play. So a few times it's trying to get through on the well, that's a 30-second time frame, but I played it off the 5-minute. So I wait for market to open, wait around 10 or so minutes, and then if something is testing the higher day or a significant resistance level, and then I'll play it off there. So that's what I did there, guys. That's about it. And how am I seeing things? To be honest, this is probably too high priced, but I mean, there is a catalyst there. ECYT is probably, well, I mean, it did recover a little bit, but not enough really. IZEA, not really that attractive. What about ITUS? It's actually running not too bad stocks to trade currently on this current setup with my laptop. I haven't really had a chance to look into things in detail with how things finish, but this was pretty flat as well. See, this is just, I'll go to the 5-minute. Yeah, so not a lot of interest, very flat candles, low volume, low interest. It's just not really, I mean, what was this? Okay, so there's some interest there. Might have been a bit of a short squeeze, but other than that, it's nothing too insane. Anyway, guys, what I'm going to do, I'm going to wrap this up, and then tomorrow I'll provide a little more insight into how I'm going to be trading things. But I guess now I've got the stocks to trade back up and running. I'll have my scanners running for higher days and biggest percentage gainers and biggest percentage losers, and we'll just see how we go, guys. So happy trading, good luck for next week, and I hope everyone has a good weekend. Bye.